So we're here as a family eating dinner at the what is it? I'm blind, but it's chocolate something. What is it?
The Toothsome Chocolate Emporium.
Okay, there we go. That part, what Mr. Jones said. So the Jones are at this place that I won't say. And I'm full. Amari, are you full? You're almost full. What about you, Mister? Are you full?
I want some dessert.
Yes. We're really low key. Came here for the dessert. The dessert is going to be well, I came here for the drinks as well as the dessert. So I got the drink. I'm drinking a what is this called? No, Violet's Dream. And Twan is drinking a beer. Cause Twan's a loser.
Dogfish Head IPA.
Right. So, with that being said, we're enjoying our little family dinner here in Orlando, Florida. We're actually at the, what is this called? The City Walk. And it's kind of like a boardwalk that connects you to the attraction sites around here, which is Universal Studios. We were there yesterday, and Islands of Adventure. I'm pretty sure we're not going to get to go to Islands of Adventure today, but that's fine. I do want to pick up some voodoo donuts, so I'm going to take you guys there. How much battery do we have? I think we probably have like, what, a good 43%. So I'm going to like close it and end it off here. Nerd.
Look, Amari.
That might be for us. While you playing, I low-key want to ride that roller coaster. Mommy is not a roller coaster rider, so if she sees something that Amari can ride, she's all for it, because I'm not about this roller coaster ride.
Dr. Seuss Landing.
Yes, let's do it.
He's been in the news lately, man.
Dr. Seuss, I'm pretty sure. He's been up to no good in the neighborhood. I don't know what he did, but he's been in the news. Where to go?
That's a merry-go-round. You want to hit this one first and then
Yes.
the merry-go-round?
Let me see this.
say so myself. And while this wild ruckus goes on below, at the top of the tent, look, the star of the show. Great Daredevil Sneelock, the world's bravest type. Great Sneelock soars up to a terrible height.
My name is Sylvester $20 each. Just pay me your money and hop right aboard.
Hop! Hop! We like to hop! We like to hop on top of hop!
Stop! You was not hop on pop.
Do you like green eggs and ham?
I do. I like them, Sam. I am. I like these green eggs and ham. Now the star-bellied sneetches had bellies with stars. Plain-bellied sneetches had none upon ours. Those stars weren't so big. They were quite small. You might think such a thing wouldn't matter at all. But because they had stars, the star-bellied sneetches would brag. We're the best kind of sneak on the beaches. All the rest of the day on those wild baby beaches. Fixing up Chappie kept fixing up sneetches. Then when every last cent of their money was spent, the fixing-up Chappie packed up, and he went. And he laughed as he drove his car up the beach. And they'll never learn. No, you can't teach a sneetch. But McBean was quite wrong. Happy to say that the sneetches were really quite smart. They would decided that sneetches are sneetches. And no kind of sneetches the best on the beaches. That day all the sneetches forgot about stars. And whether they had one or not.
Hey Amari, how was your second roller coaster?
Good.
It was good?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, and they had it so good.
It was so cool?
Yeah.
Good job.
Welcome, boys and girls, to our fishy ride. A wonderful adventure where you won't stay dry. Come on in and buckle up tight. Stay in your seat and enjoy your fish flight.
We gotta wait in line, a little washer.
Where are we going, Mama?
There are creatures there who are so great and tall. Now hear this small fish that fly. Follow me! I'm gonna stay dry. One fish ready.
Are you excited, Amari? Is this fun?
Yeah, because they all
Yeah. Hey, this is fun. I just don't want to get wet.
Up or down, the other way. Two fish. One fish ready. Down, down.
Nice little wind. What do you mean, dog? Yeah. Nah, dude. You gotta think smart. feel me? You gotta think smart. That's why your eyes almost got wet.
Never know.
I ain't get wet yet. Oh shit. That was a low-key quick dip. Keep me high. Let the peasants go low. Keep me high. I don't want to get wet.
And yeah.
Oh, y'all about to get wet. Y'all about to get wet.
Welcome back, my fishing
Okay.
friends. Please remain
Yay,
seated
we didn't get
until your
wet.
swimming ends.
Yes.
Bye bye, friends. See you next time. Bye bye.